and we are 1 million strong and moving on. And thank you. I am online to follow. I go to like content.
Asante sana.
Wonderful. Oh yes.
Ine.
Raura, because it's old school Thursday. You see, Mauno Maria Maseja. Everything changes except change. Yes. The name changes what does not change. And sometimes history repeats itself. Through fashion trend ya hipster na berori ni shokete na Gen Z.
Yes.
He migudo marekira hoya inaga na platform na fafa migude kigayo. Ibakai kigayo meka hirega.
Migude kigore.
Marada kakiri wa sesa. Lasa ba mapagara hiroko. Na hedio ni go bypass yaga yago. Mego da bypass. Mau yako no ko kweme igwa na thwariga
na hiti.
Iva jira muthe wake atwaye ku agore kaithano. Akiumira nyoka akiwa ndakiwa kono.
Riu mothe gutibute kana.
Magera hau na muthe wake amuraia cie hanyo.
Yagerirwo nĩ ngemu.
Ngena ngikara kundu kwina nyoka. Turawira wa kwihuga ciana itikarumu. Hedio no bypass on the you know the bypass. Yakirwo ifaraje ruchwa. There was no even road access.
Matigia ke imagine ati nĩ gũkahana ũrĩa kũhana ũmũthĩ.
Yes. Rĩu maũndũ moka macenjetie. And those who remember, especially now that we are in the heart of the Easter festivity, makanitha teneri ni mai na gasibility kanini na muthigiti. You see the mosque, they have what is called the adhan.
Adhan nedo.
Ngwa haski la muadhini wala la mteka maji msikitini. Muadhini ni yule uga Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Oh, anagenda na kamero.
Yes. Shadu ana Muhammad Sallallahu Akbar. That is the adhan. The call to worship. Yes. David Wiri. Tutia ina muaria. Nono tuare kiegere. It was enormous.
True.
Na kandaia cia teneri. Kuria misia ni cia jirie mario na ngengere.
Ngengere icio.
Yes. No ri miundo msingi ya thiko ici yake ndi citurakari.
Cia kiriu.
Tutira baje serake.
We don't factor that.
Because the bell was like another building altogether.
No, they had very strong metal.
Yes.
Kendo kerito.
Kanega akiro mahiga ta shumu ne.
Kanega kogi akiro an independent structure.
That is what I am saying. It was not a small affair. No githima kanitha ya matene. Ima wana kugwira centenary.
Makanitha mena miaka 50 and above.
Yes. They still have that bell. Stacia neuga doi.
Eri kare no rekore takorete ngengere kanitha-ini.
Muthoni no akorwo ni oi ngengere ya kanitha.
Kana ndio kanitha uri ngengere. Nginya umuthi.
Tondu ni wa Kiangonyi.
Na yathomeire Kiangonyi.
Rukiaga ucio.
Ucio ni kanitha wa tene.
Ona tumutumu. Yes. Mission. Na iria ciarĩ mission ya Scotland ya PCA matuko mau. Yes. Ona gwaito yego senti ya ndururi. We are century. Ne kuri ngengere.
Yes.
Itoeka ni huragwo.
Ona kuria citigarĩrie ndigũ cire ndĩ ihũragwo.
Kĩrĩa gwĩkaga rĩ. You see he muthuri ũmwe waheo wĩra wa kũhũra ngengere ĩyo. No ingĩa hoywo nĩ mũndũ ũngĩ. Na arĩa mahetwo wĩra ũcio rĩ, family ciao nĩ ciarĩ lineage na collaborators.
No, civilization yoka aria mari in line na collaborators.
Yes.
They took up all the jobs.
They took up all the jobs because they were aligned.
Nginya kuhura ngengere kanitha.
You see, it had a rope. Tiko ingekuwa na mechanical. Yes. Of course, kanitha ta consolata hali. They had the mechanical, but it has a system. No kabato ni ege shuhia. Like a sisu. Yes. Rugongo ni mukhido mutugu.
Ni nyororo daya.
Uona adhuri hapo. Kana dhuti yako dry. Era makashiwa na maita mana. Kana Gong. And they were all short. And it used to work. You see, hotel technology. It was like a smoke signal.
No, they are doing Mathiariva.
No.
I think okay.
It was like the African talking drums. It was the rudimentary communication ages. No mudi wone kugira WhatsApp we tumeanza mkoa.
Kana ugakirora tho kamenya atiriri service gwitu ya bagia thaa cigana ona.
Acio na aba kong kaigua mwana ekari thaa cigana ici.
But give it up to those men that your mahuraga ngengere. They were ever ahead of time.
Those
matiaceragirwo.
You know they were the epitome of effectiveness. Yes. Not 1 second.
Ndaceragirwo muhuri wa ngengere.
Kama mwadhini wa msikitini ndio naketa ceragirwo. Awigwa kwa abu Allahu Akbar. Ukamenya ni thaa fulani. Riu kegere waigua. Tang. Kaka bereka umu. Yeah, and you know, it used to have the urgency. It was like a yodo ya ba ukona ona mutumia mukuru ogeragi akademaini.
Akamenya githomo ne kwambia kihakuwe kwambia.
Yes. Hey, atiri rikainjera iruoko. And it used to resonate the entire location.
No, nyamuyo ne igweka kuraihu.
You see, na mukoroni hau ni ashorete. All establishments within the localities ciakoro hando iguru piu.
Makanitha mathukuru tondu icio ni ciatwaranaga hapa kwa hapa
na dispensary ciari hando iguru
vantage position
vantage riu kigire tong mukamenya githomo kwaja yegi agambire gura ni mureretwo muthikabu ni aro kuiganirira ki
moko.
Yes. Ule andu matengirete. So that was the epitome of a rallying call.
Yes.
Riu
makanitha maria marakwo kiru matiko ngengere
matire ona maria menayo ri it's just because of the legacy and their many electronic. No talking right University of Nairobi. The PCA headquarters here
St Andrews.
Ni matoire mena ngengere no yao yari ya speakers ya huja. It was electronic. Yes.
Ino akiona acio riu makiri mo advance.
Yes, headquarters. Yes.
Ai rogongo ne ya gucuha nayo.
Ona gathuri acibete. Nĩ mwana hata karaigua murio.
Zaitani akamusema akwira ona no wihithio thiho
ucia nyamu
o confuse itura igima
kiboko ri antura na keri ana hura ngengere yo gatagati ga sana
kune kuhutherwo ni mucukani
ndio bijo vuara ni waitha kane hindi kibiembie dong athuri mamwenyeria kahwa-ini ga karitha nĩ wĩte nĩ kanitha nĩ karĩmaga
nĩ wĩra cio kanitha cia hĩndĩ ĩyo ciarĩ mĩgũnda mĩnene
kanitha nĩ ciarĩmaga enyerio kahoi-inĩ ga kanitha-rĩ rĩa mũico onirwo ha kĩrago akĩringa kũndũ gĩtagwo Kanda acũthagia kana kwĩ ũgwati ena kũrĩa Nderi Karũgia na Kenya njerũ
urite gatagati ga Savi.
You destabilize everybody's mind.
Yes. You confuse the entire system itora riu.
Kou nita gweterera o he andu magi celebrate New Year utware ucokie tha thutha. Mugereria murigo he
Ndiki.
Ndiki andu makiro au. Kana utware mbere. Mukaigua kwaugererio mukarigwo niki inye mweteri. Kebo kwasiria nayo.
Ni koroni wa mucema.
But you're the people who are in charge. We are neo-colonialists.
No, actually, they are remnants of colonialism.
Yeah, actually, yes. Some of them had a lot of, similarities with the like of Evelyn Barry and the Lord Delamere and Lieutenant Colonel Sir Edward Grieg, the slave drivers.
Lord Egerton.
Lord Egerton of Hall. Growing up, ũngĩatumanĩirwo a delegation
we munini
na maita marĩa maige kũngĩokia delegation kwanyu tondũ waku rĩ, it was never a congratulations.
No.
It was never on a positive.
Muno na yabundaga on serious crime.
Yes. Actually, it was more like a jury and the judge.
Ati kwanyu gũke delegation.
Okay, ati kwĩna andũ agima ta 5. No rĩo marehete kũndũ kũu. Nĩ gathaia.
Ti maita maingĩ wakoragwo ũrĩ ũndũ wa kũganĩrwo muno.
Because you have not discovered oil. Or invented a medical.
You make it a discovery.
Yes.
Yondo kirorerwa.
Yes.
Kana wa ukimakania.
Yes. So, ugĩokio delegation te tondu waku, to no maregetuguo moka muciiri. You would repay in physical beating. You see mono truants ina tonario horo ucio. Truants ni. Ale macoka tha 8 rĩ eko kigete a truant ni ale moraga thukuru akio kigatho mama kindu study 4 ini hau ani handu majagia kuregera thukuru a truant truants ni yare delegation yari mukwa
kwanyu.
Yes. Another thing ni riu the concern of the society about your spirituality makona mwana uyu ri ni atukite a satellite representation of hell. Okay, wewe gentie mwe ya muchuka ni tondu mena mieri eri matare makuona Sunday. Yes.
Kana nduthia kanitha.
Yes.
No ni urekagiririo muci ati gwathio kanitha.
Yes.
No kanitha ndukinyaga.
Nduonagwo ati waunira njira na hindio ni ari mwa Sunday moka.
Yes.
Makiuga family yo ri matimioi na kuregenyuka
gikiugo
na nĩ matuĩkĩte very concerned tondu gukaguo ũrĩa ũtuĩtwo rĩ nĩ waheania harĩ ihoero rĩngĩte atĩa
rĩakĩtwo.
Yes. So they are afraid the legacy.
You want to spoil the legacy.
Yes. Ukamba ũkorio kĩũria kĩmwe ukiuma gũkũ uga ũrathiĩ kũ
Sunday
nĩ wĩtagia mũhothi ũtwaraga kũ
ũrathwiti
ũkagũra thwiti na menya rĩu ya wĩkanaga caitani ũndũ ũcio ũkamba gũkwenderia guoya ciana cia thikũ ici itigũraguo thoguo akinyĩrwo nĩ ũhoro ũcio rĩ nĩ wamba ũkerwo atĩrĩrĩ nĩ wamba rĩu ũkandirwo nawe ta ng'ang'a mukwa ngapi toka mupige ndũrũ mũkĩenda
toka
Yes. Wagio atiriri weko twikete shaitani guku.
I imagine ati uheagwo nginya muhothi.
Yes.
Ukaga guthii no karia muhothi.
Ukaheo mang'otoro America na Azumuni. Wewe ya maisha.
Oratu nyakinya iguru bia ciane.
Oh, yeah, even stealing from the liturgy. The Holy Trinity itself.
At your age.
Utatomo the ruoka waaga.
Ukagure madifani.
Well, I catch you aqua gomari. Produce umwe. Todo should weka wewa. Yes. You know it's always inspired.
Of course.
Yes. Waboka hutio kara hanini. Ukaruta ritwa ria mbere. Ndwenda gorute ringi. Ucio wagwetwo ni kuruta riu ringi.
Wowe kwa mugururio.
Wa thongi ndogonjoraga.
Ogokwa bothe we.
Ndoi mutikajorage ndiega.
Oh, diga kiumia giki.
Mojira no mukarira.
Ingerera.
Oya kiboka moraga nao ne muthia nao.
Muthia rui.
Nao.
Ndasebo.
Ateo, tari twega nao. Simoni. Nguthiogera Simon. Simon akamba kareho hau. Abe one how battered you are.
In the hands of your tormentors.
Yes. Akona you are even non-verbal.
Ni barere otungitio.
Urahihia. Uraumwone ki?
Ni ngoro.
Akorio. Simon ni wakiona muru wa nyukwa. Muthia na uruwe sad. Simon akemanya aruge stage imwe. Ya ndudio. Akagweta ngeigana.
Atatu.
Yes. No muhuru kamena Simon muno tondu he has volunteered information very easily.
Urago DCI mekaga.
Mukorio atiriri. Mwethitwo muri ana riu. Aciari othe matikiri hau. And it's like they were enjoying beating you. Na gutiare boundary wa gutha uria wi haku.
Umuyetwa haha. Murigiceirio.
Mukamba mukorio kanitha kau kanyu ka masonekiri.
Mwendetie una ukuo.
Tatuhe ipini gakoragwo ha exactly. Na ni amwendete na mwetetio unao. Kaigo thongo no no kone ndijetetio.
Na no gwitaji nigetha muhure.
Nigetha akoringe mwetetio. Ai tatatia getetio mundu.
Muthia ngurumo cia ruwe gwika atia.
Muthia kou kwa imba mete.
Ukaga guthie kanitha uthie ukahaimba miti we wi nugu
uhaimba miti uhoe u tondu ngai akihoyagirwo kanitha ti miti iguru muko mugitungata u gotire Ajara, they would even make you do a very quick self-examination. We uria kana ni Yesu kanetie kiro.
Ukona ganita mona we makinya-ine ma mucukani.
Nginya riu akinya handu one of the accused Illuminatis akona horo ni uthire muno ningi character assassination ni ingihire kauga tara madathi ni twaga tutanaria ya lizo sanitize ate ti defospa
ti masoneki
twaga tutanaria madathi
no ithagia
ndie
angi ni mahoyaga
ota
koguo ni omekwa ngoma
Dioi! Ndio tutikora daimono. Tonye mutu taimono tuanari. Icio daimono tugusirengera hiaha.
Ohaha. Kamenya is about to go down again.
Kebwe karutuo. Kwando marare kuruti andu Illuminati. and they should be under the scrutiny of society on Sundays. Maka observe okay ona magera haha. Matthew wage ukero Matthew. Iha maigira kanitha. Oh.
Manya kan mwabete kuruga maithomo cia ngurumo cia ruwi.
Yes, no, your wayward ways would change by fire,
by force. There are no two ways.
Foi na irokara gukara. Sakara. You are beaten to submission. Ya nemu frontier o que ciuria sad.
Nigetha preliminary report itumwo mucie.
Mwape murua na riri. Narrative ino ya scandal ati mwa ukoro murahoya mucuka.
Na mweherio in bad books cia kiroho.
And you know your parents would not care about your image na kuuja.
They would. Scandals.
Yeah. You see, in the past administrations, no quote on a very heavy scandal. Tena ne kuari
goku bururi-ini.
Yes. No still enough velocity ria cikoretwo cigithie nayo.
Ciukaga itunguhite.
So in recent times we have the NYS1. Ciukaga nginya na seasons. NYS1, NYS2. We have the whether ukunya kera arakoragwo.
Kemsa.
No, kore wana forward. Ona ni ore indo. We have the water gate kana yata godu.
Chicken gate. Ire autagia ginya mabitha IBC.
Yeah.
Oswago.
Yone. Chicken gate scandal. Yes.
No, scandal is in Kenya. Simete guku igathio ruiro.
Aroro Ed
Kimwarer. Those ones are recent.
Those are very recent. And you don't know which other ones are coming.
Akina Anglo leasing.
Yes. You see, back then, especially the millennials in the 90s, we only knew one scandal. Now, not to Ginya Kamemeka, Kukaji Kumemerekeria. Yet the golden bag scandal. Now, Doro go to Tiahara and Yaneki. Todokigo billion nigeti kinyarwogo tene.
Asa billion to a diary ukumita uko wega thutha mutheri.
Yes.
We could not fathom what a billion is.
We could not. Actually, even your stretch of imagination. There's you know kuena demwa. Ona mundu wa igio na million nie mwe. Tot walikiri Anderson waweru. Ni mohoro makameme kayo kamuigi monjoria wega to kamle smart ni go kinyo igoti na thitago ya ugumania wa golden bag ya muigana wa billion muko
billion iko igana tatia
ona ndo meciagia ati Anderson wa ru ni home nayo na mundu uga ndaigwa kaba
ya billion ya kawa billion
ya go billion. We would not fathom what a billion is. Neither would our parents.
Hey, billion.
Yeah.
B.
You see, one, there was no fun. Yeah, the Odwege Kenya at that local level. It out in a better issue. You are NGCDF. Okay, you are county allocation. Yes. Capitation, what have you. No, people never used to talk figures then.
Dia kana ona economy no gu yakire nini.
Yes.
A billion.
The shilling was very strong. Yes.
Look
at a billion nire. you know, there's a time the shilling was trading for only around $40
against the dollar,
or even that. Yes.
Okay, weekend.
You know, you are I'm not boarding.
Miguna.
Yes. Now we are quite the economy to have to anagana Singapore.
In the Korago.
Yes. No makia bazia. Hey, you walk on to you there on a million in Magana.
Actually, go na dollar meta go ito gari.
Yes.
Waigua ati ucio ni millionaire.
Yes.
Millionaire.
And sometimes they are not even millionaires. So akurantu amenye nyumba iria makite. They are very cheap.
No, by the then standards.
Yes.
Mari marodi.
No. Wakuranu wana this was a very ramshackle of a house. No, nyumba ya community is not very expensive. Kulikana unato imaginaga. Yes.
No, you told them when I'm a guru wa Julie.
Yes.
You thought they were.
You are more ini. Mojoria wega tuketan somaya.
Naga mega scandal CGG.
Yes.
Follow you. Heka undu ihutanagia na andu akuma na ha India.
Andu na India ri. Ni mamenyaga muno. Asia ine kau. Yes.
South of Asia.
Yes. So no igwa ni party. Na isoka kihingura kanitha.
Then there is a recent one.
Yes.
Of just
Adeni.
Na matigwetanagio na bia nini.
Hapana. Yes. No, there's a time this country utiari horo scandal is you do. Okay, maybe tutiakire uniform. Maundu matiatifukaga.
But we roria waruteiruo Goldenberg uthuthuria wa Goldenberg scandal.
Yes.
Ile atongoragia ta gwate ya judge ucio. Justice Bosire.
They used to have sittings at the KICC.
Televised every day.
Every day. And they used to be very interesting because you would see Wakili Gibson Kamau Kuria. You would see this veteran, Haminwa.
Haminwa.
Yes, Pharaoh's origin. Yes. You would see this young man. What is his name?
Nani huyo?
The Law Society of Kenya.
PLO.
Not PLO. There's the Waria guy. What Tia Grand Mula? There was the other one. Tia Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi. There was the other one. Philip Murgo.
Oh,
yes.
Murgo.
We were going to argument. My lord. My lord. Yes.
Natiga Goldenberg scandal. Gotiro doge wa scandal icio ciana keka bururi uyu.
Yes.
Ore weko in a very open manner.
Yes.
In a big way the Goldenberg scandal.
Never mind the findings were shelved. Orocio athire haria tuonire kwanayanwo report yo. I think it's collecting dust. Because no one was jailed.
Goldenberg.
Makirio kwathani ni turakimona.
Ago ne kuohirwo andu.
Yes.
Ni andu very small.
Ona heo mwe iguru muno. Wagwataragio no horo riku.
No horo cio. Kiria ciikite thutho ni kuingiha cingihite.
Yes.
Na igatunguhia mbeca.
Ni iratunguhia kigina. Yes.
Billion.
B.
Thomire what a billion is.
No, we would not have. Yes.
Riu cia gwetirwo cia mabilioni nginya tutia kuhahuka ni billion.
B ya kinyira ngo wacia cikiwa billion. Yes.
No ya ndo igua guku mundu mwe ni arakiucirwo gukorwo ni augumetie.
B
ona ti imwe.
Yes.
Cigana ona.
And he's as small man as a governor, not the president.
Yes. Weciria Akenya nä twa condition ro tå kä menyera until we no longer ask.
Yes. Anywho,
Sini Kenya.
we are in the billionaire. Actually, na budget itu ne authire trilioni.
Budget ye trilioni nikio kuraiyika B.
The first trillion budget was read by Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. When he was finance minister. Yes.
Rĩu na gũkomba rĩu twĩ matirilioni.
Ũkomba rĩ ona atũkombi mangĩũka othe mauge maratũtaha ũmũthĩ rĩ gwĩciria bũrũri ũngĩtigwo kĩno.
Atũkomberi mangĩtuomokera o rĩmwe.
Mauge nĩ marenyũra na bũrũri.
In the era of mega scandals.
Monica araigua na matiabathomaga. Wetĩkĩrio na maraingatwo cukuru tondũ mbeca iria ciagĩrĩire kũrĩha arimũ ciarĩirwo nĩ Golden Bag.
Well, never mind, it's somehow true.
Well, he said there's a ripple effect because that was a lot of money.
A lot of money. Ngiatumire kwandĩkwo arutani aingĩ.
Yes.